Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the Zhejiang Tongli heavy machinery channel. My name is Richard. So on my back you can see this is a powder separator. This is another powder separator. So as you can see, this is the outer cage, and then inside we have the cage rotors, also the guide bands that do rotational and centrifugal high-speed forces. So the air is able to suck into this powder separator, dynamic separated, and then coarse particles will be sent back to the graining equipment for regraining, and then fine particles will be collected through this pipe to the back filter, and then the finished product will be discharged by the back filter. So this is basically the mechanism of this closed circuit graining line. And then also, if you take a look here, this is the local control cabinet of our powder separator. You can see we have the start and stop button, and we also have the emergency stop button. So yeah, basically this is our powder separator we provide for the graining line. So yeah, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.